Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are using Zoom video conferencing app, then there is high chance that all your personal data is already for sale. The best step you can take is to delete your profile from Zoom and then uninstall it completely from your system. The past few weeks have brought some terrible times for Zoom. The service found its way onto the radar for various cybersecurity issues. Zoom has data centers across various regions to cater to the needs of users. They manage all the data transmission through these centers depending upon the demand. Zoom introduces custom data routing. This is what the official post by the CTO of Zoom says. Starting April 18, with respect to data in transit, the firm will offer custom data routing to premium users. Specifically, every paid customer of the app will have the option to choose a particular region for routing their data. Zoom is trying hard to offer custom data routing feature to the users, in an attempt to rebuild users' trust. But, how will it work? The premium users can choose a data center region from the regions offered by Zoom. These include the United States, Canada, Europe, Australia, India, Latin America, China, Japan and Hong Kong. But what about free users? For free users, the data center region will remain the same as default, which the company states to be the USA for most users. Though, free users may not be able to choose a data center, the company assures them that their data will not be routed through China. How can anyone trust the words of Zoom, since they previously also claimed that all their calls are highly encrypted? Upon investigation, it was found that Zoom was lying, and they never had encrypted users' calls or user data. Zoom only used the standard TLS or HTTPS certificate. But this is not over yet. More bad news for Zoom. Hackers are selling a critical Zoom zero-day exploit for $500,000. Zero-day exploits are unknown vulnerabilities in software or hardware that hackers can take advantage to hack targets. Depending on what software they're in, they can be sold for thousands or even millions of dollars. People who trade in zero-day exploits say there are two Zoom zero days, one for Windows and one for macOS, available for sale on the market. Adriel the founder of NetRigid, a company that used to sell and trade zero days, claims that there are two zero-day exploits in circulation for Zoom. One affects OS X and the other is for the Microsoft Windows. The asking price for the zero-day for the Zoom Windows app is $500,000, according to one of the sources, who deals with the procurement of exploits. Further, that also mentioned that the exploit requires the hacker to be in a call with the target, making it less valuable for a government spy agency that aims to be stealthy and doesn't want to get caught. The US Senate has also advised government agencies not to use Zoom, citing high risk to privacy. More top companies bans Zoom following security fears. A list of such companies includes the following. Zoom's fall, Google bans Zoom from Staffers gear. Elon Musk SpaceX bans Zoom over privacy concerns. German Foreign Ministry restricts the use of Zoom over security concerns. The Australian Defence Force bans the use of video conferencing app Zoom due to security issue. Thank you for watching the video. Feel free to mention your opinions in the comments section below. Please press the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next video.